Okay. Hi, Zach.
Hiya.
No, I'm saying hi to you. Hi, Zachary. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi, Roro.
Hi,
Hi, Auntie Samira. And Uncle Dave. Okay, you guys are being so silly. Okay, Zach, would you like to say something to them? Don't.
Yes.
Okay, what do you want to say?
I want to talk about Riley.
About Riley? No, we're not talking about Riley. Can you not pick your nose?
He knows he's really pretty.
Zachary, what does Auntie Samira call you?
He'll call me Daddy.
She doesn't call you Daddy.
He'll call me Principal.
Principal, not principal. She calls you the prince.
No, he'll call
Yeah.
me. He'll call me Dooney. He'll call me Dooney.
She does not call you Dooney. Okay, Zach, would you like to sing a song for them?
Sure.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, wait.
Okay. No, let Zach do this. Dooney, leave him. Oh my gosh. Yay! Okay, take a bow. Okay. Take a bow. Say thank you. Thank you very much. Okay, is there anything else you'd like to say?
Yeah.
What? Can you say how you're going to go to school? Let Zach. Let Zach. As you can see, I just like here all the time. Okay, go ahead. Tell her about school.
I'm gonna get homework and a scissors and a pencil and a paper.
Yeah, and what are you going to do with that?
I'm gonna cut it.
You're going to cut it, but you're going to take it to school? Are you excited about school?
Yes.
Yes. And you're going to make some friends at school?
Yes.
Yes. Lots and lots of friends?
Yes. I can make a whole bunch of pins.
A whole bunch of friends. That's awesome, Zach. Okay, do you want to say goodbye now?
Okay.
Say bye. Can you blow kisses for everybody?
Bye.
Give kisses. Big one.
Okay, give him a big one.
Oh, you guys are silly. Okay. Bye. No, Ziana, don't.
Yeah, I know. Wow.
Okay.